Hello, everyone. Every 0 people who are gonna be here. This is kind of a weird. So let me pop over here. This is actually not where I wanted to pop over to, but actually, you know what? Let's chat. Oh, let me. Wait, don't look at me. One sec. There we go. Okay. So, hi. It's me, Damie. I'm here. Where do I start? So the title is very specific. It probably means nothing at all to you for most people. Actually, I feel like this has to. I feel like we gotta like show some stuff here. Okay. So, why do I care about this? I think is the first question. That is a good question. Oh, okay. Maybe what is pica? Okay. The site artfight.net is a free art fight gifting game that happens hosts an event that happens once during the month of July, and currently they're having an issue where users on many mobile devices and also non-Chrome devices, and not even necessarily Chromium browsers, Chromium browsers, non-Google Chrome browsers, cannot submit images to this event. And this is bad because people are kind of freaking out. Now, there's a person I've been talking with who is... Neither of us are on the dev team. By the way, there's like 2 devs for our fight, and they're trying to fix this, I'm sure. Now, what might be the cause of the bug, you ask? Oh, surely it's, maybe it's some browser update, whatever. Canvas fingerprinting. So canvas fingerprinting is a long story, but essentially there's an image resizer that our fight uses for its thumbnails. They have a new thumbnail. They pushed a feature that allows you to crop thumbnails and use those thumbnails. They need to be 200 by 200, so they have to resize those thumbnails that they crop. And that image resizer utilizes something that is... It's not actually canvas fingerprinting. It utilizes a method that people use for canvas fingerprinting, which then gets essentially blocked by canvas fingerprinting protection, which is it was rolled out recently on iOS devices, but on newer devices you can turn it off, but on older devices you sometimes can't. So people don't know how to access it, etc. So the thing is, there are 2 options that our fight, or 3 options technically that our fight has. They can make their own image resizer. That's not possible. This is too hard for the 2 devs, and like doing that in like 3 days is not happening. Also, it would take a really long time, so it's not happening. It is an option though. So they have that. They could use a different image resizer, right? So there is one. So the image resizer they're using is called pica, and we figured this out because it was throwing an error, and it said pica in the error name. Thank you, Ray, forever for doing that. Is this not going to capture this? Wait, sorry. Let me... Games built on Chromium cannot be captured. Oh, that's fine. I think I just need to... Oh, actually, maybe I need to have it as this browser. Sure. Yeah, there we go. So... What was I saying? Oh yeah, their option, they could use a different image resizer. They're using one called pica. There is one called Slate, I believe is the name. Slate or something, which is like a server side. I'm trying to think if this is... No, this is fine. I don't have any incriminating evidence up on screen. They could be using like the Slate thing, or they could do what I'm doing, which is try and fork the library for pica and fix the fact that they have this image resizing bug. So there are a couple options for trying to fix this bug, but first we have to do the due diligence of getting there, getting to the point where we can even fix it. Which means I need to go to GitHub. I'm trying to think about what would be the best. You know, I could just do. Oh, let me add notes here. Oh, these are my other notes. My pip farm. I'm gonna copy those into something else. Life. Where's my games? Where's my gamer games? Gaming. My Notion page. Here we go. This is stream. Okay, so I just want to like make a note. So I'm running Astro as my server framework. I am doing this is testing. I might do some more of this because I'm trying to learn MySQL. So the database is MySQL, or database like Workbench is MySQL, and then I'm trying to think of what else. So this is all JS. This is all gonna be JS stuff, and I just want to get some of it to work. So it might be a little finicky. There we go. Wow, that actually like cropped insanely well. Okay, so I need to fork the GitHub library and then download the GitHub library for the Pica stuff. I also have a timer set for 10:50 because I'm playing a Morphight game right now and I do need to win that game. So, let me see. I think I was trying to sign into GitHub and I couldn't sign into GitHub. Oh yeah. That was when I said I should just stream this because I'm gonna be doing this for like 2 hours or 3 hours, so I might as well just do it. See, the thing is, like, nobody asked for this, which I think is funny, and I'm waiting. Like, every second that passes is a second where it's like, okay, the devs are gonna say they fixed it right now. I'm sure they're using a different library. Like, I'm sure they're just gonna use a different library, or if I was them, I would just disable it in the meantime, probably, because the thing is, like, so many new users are mobile users. And like going back to the old thumbnail method, like wouldn't really mess anything up and probably would be fairly easy to fix in the meantime while they push a new update. Sorry, I gotta grab my passwords. Oh. Okay, me moving my hand on this cable doesn't mess anything up. I didn't know if that was interference or something. Okay, 1 second. So that's my current hyperfixation. How's everybody holding up in chat? To the 0 people who are kidding. It's gonna be a banger. I'm excited to just mess around. I've been reading a bunch of articles on. Okay, oh, I can talk about this while I'm doing this. Okay, so the issue is one function, pretty much. And that function, well, okay, there's one function that's definitely an issue, and there might be other issues. I also don't know how I'm going to test this, really. I have Firefox, so we can try and test it on Firefox, which I think will be okay. But, doesn't GitHub use Atlassian now, or am I stupid? Let's see. It's gonna say you need to use Atlassian. Oh, this is my old email. Okay, I have it. Woo! Please verify. Yes. So the issue is a function called toDataURL, and so toDataURL is a function that is performed on the canvas. And for fingerprinting attacks, so okay, maybe I should say what fingerprinting is. Fingerprinting is a method of it's a vulnerability, like a security vulnerability, because different devices display images in different ways. So you know, a Windows computer is going to display it differently than a Mac computer, and that lets people basically display an image and then say how did the computer display this image? Let me look at this data URL, from a canvas. So it's a function directly on a canvas, which is what we're trying to do. So a canvas is like we put image data on something, we change that image data around, whatever. And so they're using that function, that toDataURL function, to actually like let us work with the image, right? So we want to turn that image into a 200 by 200, but you know, it doesn't. It gets fucked over by the fingerprinting protection, because they say, oh well, you're trying to do that to read the browser information, when, you know, it's not that. Create a new fork. Repository name pica. Attempt to fix. Attempt to fix whatchamacallit. What's it called? I just called fingerprinting. So we have a couple options for how to fix this. So the one that I want to try first is I found so Ray sent me, that I've been talking to, sent me this article, which I'll put it in the chat so everyone can peruse if they so. My big head here. Wait for the stream. Here we go. That's the link. And oh, I guess I can just open it. Let me wait. This is on browser display. That is okay, I think. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now I can switch to it. Okay, so this is the article. It talks about like what the good stuff for toDataURL. It talks about the canvas fingerprinting, yada yada. This thing. I'm not gonna click on that because that's displays all your information. Although it's a good way to check if you have canvas fingerprinting. Okay, so this is the thing. Do not attempt to data URL when not in the context of an user input event handler. Which is basically saying only do this for like user inputs. You know, so like if you have like a keyboard press or whatever. This is the thing. If you insist on showing previews thumbnails of images selected by user without any other user actions, please use file reader read as data URL. So we're going to try and switch the toDataURL to file reader.read as data URL. So the reason why this is a little bit janky is, let me pop this out. So file reader read as data URL is, it's a interface in web stuff. Hey Danny, how's it going? It's an interface in web stuff, but the issue is that you can only pass it a blob or a file, and a canvas is not a blob or a file, it's a canvas. So if we do this, we have to change our canvas to a blob first, and then we have to do it. So that's what we're gonna try and do. We're gonna fork it, we're gonna clone it, the repo, we're gonna get in there, see if we can find any toDataURLs and change them to read as data URL, and change the canvas to a blob first to pass into this method. What I'm hoping is that this gives back a data URL that doesn't break the rest of the program, because I think it should be okay. Like in my brain, it makes sense because it's data URL, but there's another solution that I also want to look at, which is I deleted it because I didn't want to. The other solution we possibly have is like we could try and change everything to blobs. So blobs are, and this one obviously involves a blob. This first one involves a blob as well. But blobs are generally, so you can use, there's a different, it's called create object URL. Instead of toDataURL, it's create object URL. And that creates an object URL from a blob, which is good because we want an object URL. But then the question is like, so it's not a data URL. Data URL is directly an image. So like, for example, you can say an image equals a data URL. Damie, why? Why am I streaming so early? Because I have brain rot. I have brain rot. I needed to do this. Let me fork this thing. I'm getting there, okay? We're getting to the point. I forked it. I just need to, like... Now I need to, clone it. Clone? Wait, I wanna clone it. It's been a while since I did. I was being productive. Now I'm not. Well, now you can enter the Thunder Dome. Oh, here. Okay, wait. I could show you the. So this is the This is what we're trying to do. Wait a second. Why does it say create a blob? Wait, they put their result in a blob, but they don't use blob. Oh my god, Pica, get out of here. Oh wait. I have to show one thing. Pica is really funny to me. Oh, that's mine. From Node before I forked it. Okay. I think, first off, one of the... I gotta show you this. Wait, oh, my sidebar is not... Oh, please, Arc, don't do this to me. Close the sidebar. Okay, there we go. It's really funny to me. So first off, one of their open issues, they have only 7 issues open, and one of them is funny name. Which is... No, this is 2023, they could have closed this. They could have... This didn't have to, like, exist. But it's just saying that it is a funny name, and I like that. But this is my... So the first two issues are fingerprint enabled. And this one is saying... I want to read this one, but this one is the one that I really liked. Is there a method to enable Pica to function even when fingerprint protection is enabled? No, sorry. That is so funny to me. Because it's not that hard. I don't think it's that hard to do, is the thing. Like, I really, you know, like... Because I this project hasn't been, like, updated for, like, 2 years. So, I don't know if they're... Wait, is this project still alive? It still works! I didn't even see that one! Bro, that doesn't mean anything. It still works. Oh, I love that this is the one that ArtFight chose, too. Like, why'd they choose this one? Fingerprinty behavior. Would it be possible to throw a warning? No, that's not possible. It just fucks everything up because it blocks it. Why is randomization so problematic? What? Here is nothing to fix. If fingerprint protection enabled, Pica becomes completely unusable and throws error as expected. We experienced a false positive. Fix for Brave fingerprinting? Oh, wait a second. Brave browser also have fingerprinting protection for Canvas, but it seems like... What? This is not useful. That's not useful. Brave browser, it seems like only Brave shifts colors a little bit, so Pica's unable to generate image while the output image could be pretty good. What? That's not a actual fix. Okay. Sorry, we're gonna just look at this a little bit. Fingerprinting, no. This one. Cannot use get image data. That one we might have to check too. So the one that I think is problematic is the to data URL, or the one that's definitely problematic is to data URL. Here's my worker. If I do get image data... Oh wait, maybe get image data is the function that calls a to data URL though. So they're creating an object URL from the file. Constant from, create blob, revoke. If I do my own get image data, it's fine. Do the actual resize... I do it manually. What the heck? Okay, that's nothing. That's not... that's not fingerprinting. What? That's so weird. Okay, let's see. Actually, you know, I could look at the forks, too. Pull requests? Fix for... Oh. That's not a... What did they commit? What did they commit? Oh my god, wait, what are they? Okay. Sorry. Function is close distance. They just set 5 as an epsilon? Okay. Const original data equals this. What? I don't know why they would do this. This is weird. No, I don't think they merged it. It's not good, so... Again, that's not a fingerprinting issue. I just want to, let's look... Not issue is closed. Let's just look for fingerprinting. Pica's not working on Brave browsers. Okay, yes. Oh. Well, that's not useful. Holy shit, Poggers champion Damien is live early. Yes. I'm live early. Brain rot time is now. So just a little. Yeah, I just wanted to do this because I was like doing this and I was like, I could, you know what? I was like, because I was gonna stream industrial design stuff and then I was like, you know what? I could do this and I'm gonna like be so brain rotty about it. Okay, I just need to clone this GitHub URL real quick. Let me switch this to that as well. And then I have to link it and then... where am I? Did I close my own thing? No, I didn't. It's right here. I guess just this. Can you put Papers, Please in the corner and finish the game? I can finish, I'll finish Papers, Please today. I just gotta, do this. I don't think I need to... Okay, wait a second. Okay, no, so that's good, actually. There's an issue in the pica.js, and there's an issue in... I think there's some issues in the other stuff, but we'll look for that in a sec. I gotta just put this in my... There we go. Sorry, I don't have, like, an up key on my... I don't have arrow keys, and I don't have tilde. Those are the keys that I don't have on my computer. Here, I can show this. There you go. Do that. Get a what? I can't show any terminal stuff because I'm not gonna show my stuff. Maybe I'm just stupid. Let's see, clone, git repo. Cloning a repository. Do I need to like under HTTPS to clone git back? Oh, never mind. It's okay. Yeah, I remember. I remember. Oh boy. Okay, git clone. Oops. If I don't have git, let's go. Okay, that worked. Okay, so Pica's in there. Nice. All right, let's open up this one. So first off, let's look in here. Which means I need to do what? I'm gonna close this. I'm just gonna close some stuff because it's in my face right now. What I wanted it's fine. Open folder. Pica. Okay. Yes, I trust the authors. Alright, so this has more shit than the node module that I downloaded. Oh, you can't see my file structure. Nice. Thank you, chat, for blocking my file structure. Okay, wait, I have to upload an attack. This is a slight... Here, wait. This is a slight... Oh no, I have to actually submit all these characters. Oh shit. Okay, it's fine. Well, welcome along to this ride. This is a very weird stream. So how's everybody doing? I'm gonna be copying numbers for a little bit. I have to also export this and do a lot of other stuff. I don't know who I'm gonna send this attack to. I didn't even think about that. I'll probably maybe do Canticle. But I'm revenging a couple people with this attack. See, submission works for me because I'm on Arc, and everybody loves Arc. That's a lie. And, oh, I drew the dev. It was just kind of funny. I think it was just a head bust shot for that. I'll have to check. This person, I have another character from that person as well. Can't remember if they're linked. No, they aren't. Awesome. Are you attacking people with math? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's not math. I just send them this code. No, this is just the character input screen. I cleared out so many of my bookmarks. Oh, I have to like do the actual... Oh my god, I have to copy all the tags for Morphight too. It's fine. That's on me though. I was like, can you please get all the tags from all the characters that you did? Because it's a turf war game, so like if you... It's like about... It's about drawing the most tags for the characters. Okay. That's everybody. Okay, I want to revenge... I don't know. I'll do Canticle. There's Stardust. Clean, scene. Yeah. And then I gotta export it. Sorry, this is truly exciting stuff here. Yeah, okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm still... Here, I'll show the attack instead of this. This is the attack. I think it's cute. This is Morphight Turf War dash big. I just honestly I needed a place to do a bunch of my revenges, and I just did them all here. So that's how art fight be sometimes. But you know, the interesting thing about the image submission bug, or the bug just in general, is like, I'm surprised it still happens if you don't upload a thumbnail. Like, that makes me think that there's another thing going on, because like, it's weird to me that you would get it if it wasn't actually making the image data URL. Like, it shouldn't do that. Bunch of revenges on board. Had fun with this little. Cool, I'm gonna attack you. Awesome. I love being attacked in real life. Oh, let's see. Okay, that's 160 points. How is this like half of my animation that took me like a million years to do? Damn. I guess that's what happens when you point max. Alright, now I gotta get this. And then... Okay, the tags. Wait a second. This is my forum, by the way. Can I copy these like plain text? I swear to God if I can't copy them like plain text. No, I can't. Wait. How much do we think that they're there? No, they aren't there. Fuck. God damn it. Okay. Robloxian. This is gonna be like a million trillion things happening right now. Okay, can I split screen this? I guess kind of, but like not really. Oh shit, okay. Humanoid. Oh yeah, I remember they spelled centipede wrong. That was why I think that's why I chose that character. Because if they misspell a tag, then it's funny to me. Alien... No! Fuck, I did the same tag twice. Alien Retrofuturism. I was not tag maxing for this game. I'm gonna be so honest. Okay, human again. Dress wig. Okay, coquette. Oh wait, no, human. This one's humanoid. So it's... Oh wait, no. No. I love this person I know for cottagecore. Pastel ribbon girl. I gotta do this. That's the wrong one. Swag. Swag DFT2 bunny cat rabbit cat question mark. I love swag. I thought it said TF2 as the tag when I drew that character, and I was like that's a really good tag. I wish I could can I just copy these images? Okay. Researcher boss father question mark? I should have typed this out before. Fuck. Multicolored hair. Weirdo loser. Did it say girly pop? I want to say that said girly pop. It did say girly pop. Everyone tuning into the stream being like, what the fuck are you doing right now? This is not coding, okay? This is a break from the coding. I'm gonna post this. Just so I I need to post it so that I still get it in on time. What is I don't even know what HFJ1 is. HF. Street sign, object, street sign. Object show, I think. D&D original species, alien species. Oops, original species as well. Space ginger. Oh, we're getting there. Space orange small cubrid. I don't know what a cubrid is, but that's awesome. Oh, they're small? Oops, I made them very large. Scum and villainy. I don't know that. Looking on everything. Okay, I'm gonna post a quick reply. I don't know how many this is, but we're getting there. Okay, scientist, oh, homo. Oh yeah, I remember it was homo. I was like, that's really funny. I could just smash them together. I'll do that. Tattoos and piercings. Weird tags. Scientist. Also, tagging your OC traumatized is really funny to me. Let me pop these together. It's object OC. Yeah, I think we're good. And then last one. Last one! Human male fantasy nobility. So, male. Male fantasy nobility. Can you say no? No. No. Well, I mean, I've said no before. If you wanted to edit me saying that together, then I guess it wouldn't be that hard. Otomes? There we go. Save changes. Did no! No! Oh, good. Okay, I think I beat them. I think I beat them in terms of tags. I want to say this is more tags. I love that we both did it right at the end. I knew Elith was gonna pull something. Oh, that's great. I love Morphite. Guys, play Morphite with me. Okay. Anyway, that's not it. Oh, it is browser capture. Okay, we have the thing. So the question is, do we want to try and fix the thing first, or should we try and put it into the... Let's link it and let's see if we can even call it. So let's do that first. That means I need... it closed my other thing. Actually, I don't need that. So let's do this. You go into command prompt. We go... if I run at you with a sledgehammer, would you run? I think it depends on like what the vibe was, you know? Because I think a sledgehammer could be fun. I have been reading the things you've said, but sometimes I don't read things out loud if they're a message I don't want to have in my chat. If I don't read a message out loud, it's probably because I'm like, I don't want to read this message out loud. But I did not read the sledgehammer one. That one I would read. I think a sledgehammer would be really fun. Okay, top of the forked directory. Okay, let's go there. Let's go on a journey to my forked directory. Come with me. Joe Biden. Okay. npm link. And then, okay. Neat. And then I need to go to my modules. My modules. Where are my modules at? Users. What? What? Oh, node modules here. Wait, can I find it in here? Oh, it's not. What? It's not in here. No, it is in there. Me when I thought P was below T. Okay. Okay, Davey. I think it's time to wow, that was rough. Done in Astro root. Oh, Astro root. Astro root? Oh, I guess in my... Never mind, we're not going to that. We're going to this, I guess? Wait, is node modules in here also? Does it... Okay, the link might not work. Yeah, it's not in there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go... I'll go here. I think it would be here. And then npm link pica. Because I might need to go into the node modules for that, but it's fine. Because in my Astro I have a node modules. Anyway, let's fuck around and find out. Okay, I want to just look at a bunch of stuff. So this... I don't like this file. We're not going to look at this file. I just want to look for right now for that to-data URL. Okay, not in here. I'm just going to have that up. So nothing in here. This is great. I love when it's nothing in here. I don't know what convolve means. What does convolve mean? Convolve. Okay, it brought me to the piece. Arc is good at typing things when you want it to autocomplete, but just searching things into things is hard. Roll together or entwine. Oh, convolution. Wow, I've never heard the verb form of convolution. Okay, index.js, nothing. Resize filter.js, nothing. So there is one where I know that there is a thing. Sorry, that was a horrible, horrible... This is where there is one. Okay, oh. Oh shit, maybe I need to do to data. Okay, this is one of them. So... Wait, what the what? Wait, they convert it to a blob and then they do the... Okay. New promise function? Okay, guys, I'm in over my head. No, I'm fine. If canvas.toBlob, canvas.toBlob, function blob, return blob, sure. If canvas convert to blob, resolve convert to blob. But why do they use toData URL after they've been using blob? They literally have a blob. But I guess that's fallback for old browsers. I see. Resolve new blob. They straight up use blobs. Why the hell would they not want to? I guess. Well, let's see. So, what is this? It doesn't return anything, though. Oh, God. Okay. Anyway, I just want to look for other references of it right now. I don't want to, like, fuck around with that. I might have to retype this. No, no results. Okay. But if I go to this... I don't know. It might not like that. Okay, in here... Stepper, no. These probably shouldn't have any issues. Support? No. Okay, so literally the only... What is this? Ubuntu. You're so cute and silly. You're like a Tamagotchi I don't have to take care of. Aw, thank you. That's very sweet. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so that one sucks. I love my files and images. Okay, it did resize it. I mean, yeah. Okay, the .ppm. What kind of file is that? ppm. Parts per million. No, it literally did that. ppm file. Portable pixmap format file. Color image file. Okay, these are just images. This is me when I'm an image, guys. Okay, I don't know what this is. That doesn't have any toData in it, though. Brightness? Check that the brightness is not changed after rescale. Fixture resize. This one could have it. It literally seems like everything is... Can I eat an apple on stream? I don't have an apple, but I would eat an apple on stream. Like, I'm down, you know? Like, I think I could get a really crunchy apple. I could do an apple tier list stream. Buying you a bushel of apples. See, I think the only problem about an apple tier list stream is, like, I'm not gonna be able to eat the whole apple. So I would just have a bunch of, like... You know how apples get all, like, kind of, like, oxidized when they're, like, opened up? So maybe it would be, like, an apple... I could do apple slices. An apple slice stream tier list. You didn't even question buying you a bushel of apples? But how much is a bushel? A bushel is a lot, right? 64 pints? 8 dry gallons. 130 apples? What? No. Oh, wait. 28 apples in a peck. 28 times 4. 112. Wow. That's a lot of apples. Yeah, I cannot... they would go bad. I mean, I guess I could give them out. Okay, anyway, this is not what I need. There's no toData here. Pica.js. Really? So this one doesn't have it either. Oh, wait, yeah, because this is the entire file. Okay. ppm. That's this thing. You'd think this also would have a toData, but I guess not. I guess this is just a test. Well, these suck. I don't like any of these, but that's fine. I don't like these files. So literally, it's one line of code that is referencing this. So if we can figure it out, it might be possible. Wait, it's asking me if I want to install an extension. Probably yes. Install, sure. I like VS Code a lot. VS Code is chill. Look at that. Look at that. Not really gonna matter because it's not C#. It's A pre-release version. I don't care. Sure, whatever. It's asking me things and I'm scared. So, okay, demo. That's not helpful. I wonder if I can... like, put this in my browser and have this run. Should we try it? Should I just try putting this in my browser? Let's try it. Hey. Hey, so we can test it with this. We don't even need to test it with my thing. If this thing doesn't break, then we can do it. Okay, wow. Alright, so click on resized images to reload, or click on original. Let's upload an image. What image should I use? There's a Damie image. Here, we'll use me. That's me. That's scary. It's like so... That's my, that's like a photorealistic scan. I don't know what the hell is going on. Okay, so... I'm lost in the sauce. There's an image resizer, which is this thing right here. It is called pica, P-I-C-A, pica. And, there's a bug in this, well, maybe not a bug. There's a feature. No, there's a bug where if you have canvas fingerprinting disabled on browsers, which is a common thing for browsers to do these days because canvas fingerprinting helps like protect you from vulnerabilities. Sorry, disabling canvas fingerprinting helps protect you from vulnerabilities. It breaks this image resizer, and so I'm trying to fix it. So, all right. So resize it. Click to reload. All right. So resize filter name window. Oh, these are the different. Oh, I see. So you can choose the different types of settings you want. Unsharp amount. What if I make it really sharp? Oh, that's crunchy. This is pretty good. Unsharp radius. My computer is just use a different one. That's what you're doing? No, that's not what I'm doing. No, the thing is, that's the point of the stream. Yes. The thing is that I think it's an easy fix. It's also there's a thing that uses this that is having an issue. That's why I'm trying to fix it. Question. What's the question? Am I cooked? It's a good question. Can you tell me a little bit about your scenario? The state of being cooked is highly scenario relevant. What? That's the resize? Wow, that looks like shit. Sorry. Wow. Wait, no. This is the resize. Oh, pica. Oh, that's a direct canvas resize. I was like, why is that so shitty? But look at that. That's pretty awesome. It does a pretty good job is the thing. Okay. So we're gonna try and walk through each little bit. So that's like, you know, the question of like coding is like, oh, how do you do something like this when you like don't know anything? You start very small. So we found the one issue is in this. So a good thing that we might want to check is honestly just at the beginning of this file. If I can like debug log a thing that says like we're in this file to see if this file is getting called even when we're doing this stuff is always a good place to start. So I'm gonna say, actually no, you know what? I'm gonna log where we are with this thing. So when does it do this thing? Because this is what we care about. So I'm gonna say console.log We are using the shit fingerprinting necessary fingerprinting breaking technique now. So this tests a couple of things. This tests if well, first off, maybe I should make sure my JS console.log. I don't remember if it's a capital L or not. Yeah, it's console.log, yeah. Okay. So this tests if this is if this exists, like if this is getting called, and then this also tests if my code is going to update in this pica test thing, because otherwise, you know, we might have to like fuck around with it a little bit. So I'm using right now I'm using a browser that does not. Oh, I just put in the JS, not the. Whoopsies. I need the HTML one. Demo index.html. That scared me so bad. I was like, oh shit. Okay. So we gotta open the console. Console, please. Console. Get over here. Console. Oh boy. It's doing stuff. Oh, you can't see it. 1 second. Where's my we are using the shit thing? Oh, it's not in there. But maybe it hasn't resized it. There's two options. It's not either not using my code. Well, so pica.js. Pica.js is the thing we just changed, question mark? Yeah, we just changed that, so that should be in there. Okay, what if I change the resize filter? Let me look at the console. No. Okay. Well, okay, let's find if we can change the start resize to something else. That might be better. The start resize. Okay, here we go. Oh, this .debug. Okay, so they're not using console.log. So if I change mine to this .debug, then if I search for shit. This .debug. It might be only showing debug messages instead of okay, so not that. But let's see if I can change the start resize then. Start resize question mark. I will put a question mark there instead. If I reload this. Okay, so it does change that. So the code is updating, which is good. It's always a good thing to start. Maybe it's my double quotes. You know, actually, I think I know what it is. I think it's that it's... Okay, wait, let me pop over this. I love it when you're so excited and saying a bunch of stuff, but we can't even see it. Wait, why is it not showing up? Hello? It doesn't want to show it anymore. Come on. Come on now. That's my Discord. Tamagotchi moment. Wait, where? Okay, if I clicked enough stuff and it worked. Okay, this, okay. I think the issue is that, I put it inside a function. I need to, I need to figure out a little bit. So, I need to look at how, oops, oh god, I'm typing into something. Okay, how to create JS function. Just simple. How to make a function in JavaScript. Okay, so it's not weird. It's normal. So I don't know why they have this. Like, I don't... But it shouldn't... Pica.prototype.2blob. So 2 to blob I thought is a thing that already exists. Well, maybe let's look at what prototype is. The first use of prototype. Okay, math, and that's math. I want pica.prototype. Pool.prototype, pool.prototype. Okay, these, like, there's a lot of prototypes here, so there might be some, like... It might be a class, or it might be a JavaScript thing that I just don't know about. I'm assuming this is a JavaScript thing I don't know about, because these are all... Okay, so let's see, JavaScript... prototype. You know, I could just do this. Wait a second. If I'm smart. I'm not smart. No, I am. It's fusion. Now, why would I do that? That. Why is that so weird? Okay, and then this... It's the same thing. And then we make this small. Oh, fuck. This small. There we go. You can't read it probably, but... Object prototypes. The prototype chain. Okay, try creating object literal... No, that's not this. Object.get prototype. The prototype of an object is not always object.prototype. Shadowing properties. Okay, wait, so what is a prototype, though? I didn't read it. Prototypes are mechanisms by which the objects inherent features from another. Oh, okay, so it's like a class. It's like a class. In the browser's console, try creating an object literal... This is an object, so an object literal is constant my object equals they have a city and then a greet. This is an object with one data property, city, and one method, greet. If you type an object's name followed by a period into the console will pop up an all list of properties available to the object. So you can define getter, define setter, proto, constructor. Okay, so this is definitely an object-oriented type of thing. Is prototype of... It works. Oh, because an object is... Yes, an object is like a... has a prototype of like a bigger class, and then you can define like... Oh, this is like constructor stuff. Every object has a built-in property which is called its prototype. Yeah, so it's like the base type of thing. So when they're saying in this code, I still want to see the first... Oh wait, pica.prototype. Sorry, I was like, it's ica.prototype. That's not pica.prototype. Okay, pica.prototype.invoke resize. So this is probably something they're setting on the constructor that might not be accessible by the object pica necessarily. So like invoke resize, you know, that's something we need to be interested in. But, oh wait, no, they're setting up these functions to work. Wait, how to set a function for a prototype JS. Like, I guess I don't even need to do that. I need to say, like, object.prototype equals function. Object.prototype.function equals function. Adding function to object prototypes. Ah, okay, so yes, they're adding these new things to the thing. Here's some sample JavaScript code. Object.prototype simple function equals function, return true. Note that if you execute this, you'll get simple function. How can I add functions onto the object prototype without them showing up in my for property in object loops? Okay, that's rough. It doesn't really matter. They're just adding it to the basic thing, so they're saying that every pica object can do this thing. That's what they're doing. So, but that does not answer my question. Oh, that doesn't answer my question about why this doesn't work though. So they're setting up a method that's called toBlob for the pica object is what they're doing. So I don't know why. I don't know why. It doesn't work when I put the. I straight up just want to put a log right here, right before they do this thing, because maybe they're not even doing this thing. I guess what we could also do is test if this works on Firefox. I think that's the next thing. So I'm gonna put one of those. I'm just gonna snag a debug. This.debug, yeah. Wait, that's weird though because this 5. What the what? Oh. Oh, it's just a. That's weird. I guess it's just a. They're kind of compartmentalizing their debugs into like. Yes, so this is like their third part of the process, and then the 5th part of the process. Okay. It's a little odd, but you know, whatever. I mean, it's not that odd. It's just like kind of funny to me. Okay, resize buffer to blob. I mean, I guess we can just do this and says in blob. And then right here is calling to data URL. And see if that works. Let's see. So, all right. Can't see it. Very small. I can crop that. There we go. Alright, I don't know if you can see this too well or not. Too good, but... So, we have... I'm not seeing any in blobs. Wait, convert raw RGB tile result to image data. Wait, also how? What is that? Oh, that's just me. I was trying to type into the console. I was like, what the fuck is there a how? I really want it. It's not even calling this blob thing. So why does the toData URL like even exist? Like, where is it blobbing? I mean, what I can do maybe is look for where it calls blob to blob and see if maybe there's some other thing that's using it that maybe... Curiouser and curiouser. But it seems like that, like this. Actually, you know what? Let me look something up. So, what functions are broken by fingerprinting canvas being canvas protection? Anti-fingerprinting causes websites to break. Browser fingerprinting. How to solely. What is it? Okay. Brave causes websites to break if they require picture-perfect color output because Brave adds random noise to canvases when using the get image data method. Wow. This cannot be turned off even with shields down. Okay. So... That's why that guy was saying the fix. That's why he was saying the Epsilon 5 thing. Oh, that's complicated. Okay, so it depends, I guess, on the... Sorry. It depends on the method that they're using to stop fingerprinting, I guess. Because they're not just disabling the toData URL. Although toData URL may just be blocked anyway. So Brave adds noise, which breaks this. Which means it just doesn't... it doesn't work. Well, this says you can disable fingerprinting. Ugh, this is horrible. The anti-fingerprinting cure is worse than the problem. It's going to break anything that relies on precise pixel values for canvases. On the contrary, this is great, and every browser should implement this. Let's see. Okay, let's think. So, we know why it's being broken on Brave. That's not necessarily fixable. But why does it break on Firefox? Let's try and see if maybe we can find why it breaks on Firefox. So for Brave, it's this image noise thing, and that one guy did try to push it, which might actually work. I mean, I could test it. I have Brave. You know what? Let's do this. Let's test it. Let's test this HTML one on Firefox and see if it's broken. Let's try that first. That is a good first move. Alright, so we're gonna pop this. I'm gonna make sure I don't have any incriminating. That's fine. Alright, browser overlay. I will switch this to Firefox. What do I need? I need the index.html. Here we go. Alright. So this seems to be working because this is the resize. And it's showing a resize. So now the question is do I have, what is this? Private network. Maybe the thing is that it's not. Oh my gosh, it's 92 degrees outside. Maybe the thing is that it's not actually, actually having to deal with the website stuff. I mean, I guess the toData URL could be the issue. Let's see. That's annoying. Actually, I don't even know if I have fingerprinting. Let me see if I can. Firefox, turn fingerprint protection off. Disable fingerprinting protection, default settings, standard or strict. Access settings. I mean, mine just might be turned off. Okay, standard. Pages will load normally. Strict, stronger protection, but might custom. I'm gonna do this. So it was blocking stuff, but that's not necessarily to say that I guess it depends on how they block it. Time to look into data security, my favorite thing ever. Let's see. How does Firefox block fingerprinters? I'm very concerned about browser fingerprinting. It blocks specific scripts that are known to be used for fingerprinting. Okay. Tor. So the general definitions of the websites will blah, blah, blah. Tor is a browser-based derivative, Firefox derivative browser that people use for high-level privacy. Firefox can help reduce identifier sound, though always something about your computer. If you're interested in this, I suggest enabling resist that. Okay, here we go. Resist Fingerprints is a set of patches taken from the Tor browser project, which aims to provide everyone who uses it with as uniform a fingerprint as possible, spoofing things like your reported time zone, language, screen size. Fine. And so on. Letterboxing is a spoof reported window height by introducing that into the browser space. Auto decline no user canvas prompts. You deny, it's fed with random data. So benign uses are to present you with a QR code for logging in. Okay, so it's complicated, is what I'm hearing. But it's hard to tell if it doesn't work on Firefox. As people were saying, the issue was with Firefox and the fingerprint tracking. You know what? Let's do this, actually. This is the best way to test if it's real or not. Let's submit something. It should just be if I upload an image. See, that should be breaking. But the submit button is supposed to not work, I think. Which is also not even really true. Oh god, I'm gonna just have to put it against a random person if I want to submit this. Wait, I can do gonk. Wait. Wait, I can do gonk. Gonk test. Guys, you know about gonk? My friend gonk? Oh, this is perfect. I'm actually really glad we do this. Please let me do. It is gonk. Gonk is here. I am gonk. Gonk is here. Okay, we're gonna use gonk. Oh wait, shit, is gonk a spectator? No, gonk is— let's go, gonk is Seaphobe. Wait, gonk doesn't have any characters. No, gonk doesn't have any characters! Shit, I can't do it against gonk. Man. Wait, so I disabled the tracking though, right? I think I disabled my tracking. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go on standard, actually. So now if I try this, dead budge. So that still works. People were saying they were having issues with the, like, the submission is the thing. Gonk. Gonk, please upload a character so I can— fuck, that's really annoying. I'm gonna— who's an account that, like, I would be able to attack that, like, isn't gonna get mad at me for deleting an attack? Biohaze might not get mad. When was he last online? Last seen hidden. When was the last attack uploaded? July 7th? Okay, that's fair. I'm gonna do that. It's okay, I'm gonna delete this instantly. But we're gonna try. Sorry, Gonk. Go, get out of here, Gonk. Oh, Gonk could be such a good test account, though. Okay, that's fine. Note, title, test, main image. I guess I need an image. Whatever. I feel shit about just uploading a fucking ass attack. Okay, but that works. Okay, edit, instantly delete it. Get out of here. Delete attack. Okay. So It works with these trackers on. That's so interesting. Maybe this isn't the bug then. Can we make an environment where it actually fails, I think is the question. Oh no. Wait, let me text Clem. I'm gonna be like, Clem, can you please upload a character for Gonk? Who's pinging me? Oh, for fall. I don't know this up, right? Yeah, we're fine. Wait. Wait, actually, wait. Do you have Gonk's password for testing purposes? I mean, I guess I could just make an account, but like... That's so funny. Technically, I think Gonk is against the rules. Actually, maybe not. Because they haven't uploaded any attacks. Actually, I think I might know Gonk's password. I don't know Gonk's email. Do I need an email for Gonk? Okay, that's the wrong P. Log in. No! Is this right? Oh shit, no, it's not right. I thought that was the... Okay, it's Clem's actual password, so... That's not possible. I'm gonna have to upload a character. We're gonna have to make a character real quick for Gonk. Because I wonder if it's... So the issue is happening on mobile, is the thing. But like, what? It could be, I guess, like... There are stricter protections against fingerprinting on mobile browsers because, like, obviously, like, a mobile version of Firefox is not the same version of Firefox as the computer version. This is getting more and more fascinating. The rabbit hole continues. Obviously, the correct answer here is use a different image resizer. That works. But this is fascinating. I just want to see if I can get it to... Maybe if I do strict. Heads up, this might cause websites to get the fuck up. This is fine though, it doesn't break it. What the hell? That's so weird. I have a feeling it's because it's not an online thing. Like it's not catching it because it's not online. But actually, no, wait, no, we can test this, I need to submit another attack to Gonk is the thing. Actually, maybe I don't need to submit an attack to Gonk. Let's see if even this breaks. No, that doesn't break it! What the heck? How do you break it on Firefox? Is my Firefox not up to date? Firefox is not your default browser. Sorry, Firefox. Update. Check for updates. It's up to date! What the heck? How are people getting this to break? I guess it's on mobile. But like it doesn't break for me on mobile either. I mean, I'm on Chrome because I have a Pixel phone. I don't have any other browsers to check on mobile though. I guess I could download Firefox on mobile and see if it breaks on mobile for me. I don't have an Apple phone is the thing. Like I'm not gonna use Safari. I just wish there was someone who I wish I had a dev environment where I could just spoof my emulating stuff, you know? This is the moment Damie Tutor became Heisenberg. I'm just really interested in how this is actually breaking. Because... Well, the other funny thing I think is, like, it instantly throws an error if it breaks, you know? I'm assuming that the issue is that it's local. So let's try this. Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this index. This requires us to. This is fine because I can develop for this. This is I can change stuff and then I can update it, and if it breaks the actual thing, then it'll break. But we need to check the web stuff. So I'm gonna open a folder. I'm gonna open Astro. Now, this might not work. This is an HTML page, and Astro is an Astro page. Oh god, how do I even start this? Let's try this. I'm gonna copy this index into here. Can I have two VS Code workspaces up at the same time, please? New window, I guess? Yeah. There we go. I don't know which one it's capturing. It's capturing... That's fine. I'll copy the index CSS as well. We'll just copy everything into here. I don't know if these are supposed to go into the... Hey, wait a second. Oh, this is just their image, I guess, pre-made into a JS file. I don't like... That's a little weird. I guess I could also check this for anything. Is it calling to blob? Draw image. It's calling resize. Create resizer. Oh, yeah, we're not looking. Are we looking at the same thing? Oh, I guess I could be scrolling this way. Okay, so I want to see what it's calling. It's calling, resize. Get context. I don't know if that's a thing that would break, but maybe. That's fine. Those are all fine. Create resizer. On load. Yeah, so it's setting up the image with the SRC instead of the thing. Update resized is a thing we gotta look at too. Okay. So look at this. Create object. This one uses a create object URL. You know, let's maybe also check this. So, there's a couple things I need to check. I want to see where it throws the error, because the thing is that on the site, it actually verbally throws the error. No, not verbally, I guess is not the right way of putting that, but we're gonna have to switch. This one I don't want up. I don't want this one up. I want the other VS Code up. This one. It's very confusing, I know. So... I want to see in this... I think this is where it does all the stuff. This is like the main code, and then the other stuff is like, it's pulling in stuff, but like, I don't think it's doing the data URL stuff. So I want to look for that error. That does not look like the error. These are all comments. Okay, internal error. In pica. That does not look like the correct thing. That's a type error. Canvas, image, or bitmap. Quality. Cannot... Okay. Get image data on canvas. Okay, so where is this being checked? Can use canvas get image data. So canvas get. Utils.can use canvas, this.options create canvas. So this is a utils file that they have set up for themselves. I think I saw this, yes. So can use canvas should be in here. Here we go. Try to create a canvas, get context. Okay, I think it's get image data. So it's not the reading URL, although I guess it's not the only reason it's not the reading URL is because they're never calling the reading URL. I don't know why they would need to call the blob. Oh wait, that's also what I want to check. Wait, let me make some notes. There are like a million things I want to check. Let me just make a new file somewhere. New file. Damie notes. Okay, so 1. So toData URL is an issue, but it's not called. So where is that being used? Need to find. 2. The other issue we have is this new thing, which is get image data. What's up with that? Now, you know, usually there are workarounds for something, so get image data, we might be able to find a workaround. Alright, we're going to go over to this. I'll use Firefox, whatever. Get image data. So let's start with that. Okay. Canvas rendering method, get image data of the Canvas 2D API returns an image data object representing Okay. This is probably going to also be in the space of blocked by fingerprinters. Because it's using that get image data blocked by fingerprinters. Has to block the fingerprint. Pica. Oh, that's interesting. Getting image data not worked in Brave. How to bypass it? Oh. Okay, I also want to search, because I when I searched it, it came up with something. Get image data to blob. What is that? Convert image data to blob in JavaScript. Do you ever imagine eating out of one of those feeders that gerbils have, like the upside down thing with straws? Well, that's like for water, right? Because they use a check valve. But yeah, I could do that. Here, like I could do that right now. Gerbil or hamster. I'm more of a hamster. Water feeder. Water bottle. I think it would be cool. PNG. Which one looks cool? These are all kind of lame. I could design a better hamster water bottle. Oh. That is scary. We can build it better. We can make it cooler. Where's the postmodernist hamster water bottle? This one's fine, I guess. I do not mean to open that in a new tab. I'm gonna have a very confusing set of... Wait, shit, I did not mean to put that in that directory. I need to put it in... my stream. Where is that? Here, stream assets. Just in case... Oh, shit. There we go. Just, you know, just in case I need to use this stream asset. What is this image? It just says image. Oh, large bonfire. I don't... Well, we could edit this up right now. Well, okay. It's not... I knew it wasn't going to be transparent. but, you know, it's still a shame. Oops, that was chat. Wait, I gotta put it below me. There we go, so I can take a sip. Wait, I gotta make it so I can... I should put it on the other side. Wait, I should put it on the other side so I can flip this. There we go. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. There we go. Now we're hydrated. Never mind that I have a toggle for water. No. This is better. See Paul Allen's water bottle. Thank you for feeding it to me being an idiot. No, it's beautiful. Okay, we have a lot of sites to read. Has blocked the fingerprint. The call is get image data. Where's this error thrown? 2019. Okay, that's old. That's probably before it started happening. I'm getting this error while using npm pica library. I want to resize the, I've passed the whatever. No, I'm getting this error in Chrome. Okay, no answers. Awesome. Get image data does not work in Brave. Brave doesn't seem to support... Oh, it's 2019. It's HTML5. Yeah. Brave is gonna get fucked over in whatever we do to try and fix this. I think the epsilon thing might have to just work, because the thing is that it's only an issue because if the canvas needs specific data. Like, if they say, oh, we need this specific data and it can't be within this margin or whatever, then that's why it breaks. But if you give it the margin, like, 5, I mean, we could just say, like, 10. We could just say 100. I mean, it could just be whatever, right? Like, if it just puts a little bit of noise into the image. Hey, if it fixes it, it fixes it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I don't know how much noise they add. We could do a statistical recovery of that, but, okay. How does canvas fingerprinting work? Yes, sure. Yeah. We're not going to browser leaks. How does hashing work in canvas fingerprinting? Canvas fingerprinting will lead this. Hash. How to bypass it. Ideally, you could scrape without getting blocked by disabling the canvas API. However, this comes with some trade-offs. Disable JavaScript. No. We want to have a fingerprint that's acceptable to the website. This is not... This is funny if this was how you do this. Because this is not really the issue. The issue is we can't get the data. It's not that we need a fingerprint to... Theirs is that they need a fingerprint. They're not getting a fingerprint that's right. Ours is... We just want the canvas. To data URL. Ew. So to data URL just like... Fingerprint defender. Well, that's not really useful either. Okay, this is not useful. Okay, Canvas Clone Browser. I've never heard of that. They have some problems. Whatever. Use of Canvas fingerprinting development. How to prevent it. Okay. Okay. Oh. These three. Those are the big three. So to blob, to data URL, and get image data. Those are the ones that are going to probably be the ones. So get image data is the one that is probably broken. Mostly. Hamster water bottle. Okay, so... I don't know if there's an alternative is the question. Return value. What does it return? An image data object containing image data. Get image data alternative. Is there... I'm using JavaScript. Well, that's wrong. This is wrong. ToData URL is actually wrong. So I guess the question is, what data do they need? They just need the image as data is the thing. Oh. A faster alternative. For some reason, calling ctx.getImageData is really slow. If you want selections of image data in a loop, a quicker alternative is to cache the entire image data array. And wait, but... Oh, wait a second. Context.getImageData. So... Oh wait, sorry, get image data faster? Wait, so you have to get the image data? No, wait, it's the context. But I don't know if the context is also borked. Are they just turning it into a 3D array? I don't know if they are or not. R equals Y, R equals H plus Y. RC. Maybe not. I don't know. I actually don't know what it looks like. So get image data from canvas. Yeah. Yeah. But they're using that this is stupid. I think that's okay, that's really hard. If they're blocking get image data. Hello world, is it possible to get a clamped array of RGB from image data? Has anyone tried to take a still photo while live streaming? Well, okay, let's do this. I want to look a little bit more. So, is there like the question is like get image data alternative. Cuz if you can't get the image data, but like it seems like it's a benign function. Like I don't know why get image data would be blocked. Like, getting image data without canvas. But maybe the issue really is just that when they're getting the image data, essentially the browser is spoofing it and saying, well, here's some noise in the image data, and the... But I don't see why that would, like, fuck up the code, you know? Unless, because if it's somehow checking it, wouldn't it just be checking it against the get image data? You know, like a little bit of noise. Curious. What? So it's just... Like, what's an... I want to see, like, a return value. So, containing... an image data object. Well, what's image data? Okay. I want an example. Okay. A one-dimensional array containing the RGB order with integer values 0 and 255 inclusive. Okay. So this shouldn't be breaking it, though, because this is just saying what is the image data. Like, how are they... How does get image... what was it, data? Like, fingerprint a computer. Like, it shouldn't be doing that. Because, okay, wait, let's go back to that one that was saying... Where was that? This thing. So they changed this. Const get image data equals canvas rendering context 2D prototype.get image data. Sure. So that's just getting like the whole ass function that's anytime you say get image data. Noisify. So they just noisify the canvas? Why? Why would you do that? Your get image data is not hashing anything. Like, I get it for... I mean, maybe it's not happening. You know, maybe it's not happening. I can't even get the error to happen is the thing. God, I hope it's not get image data, because anything we do, if get image data is broken, you cannot get image data. Like, I don't know what to say. You could... Where are they using get image data? Let's check that out. That was one of the things that was on the list of stuff to do. What's up with that? Where is it? Okay. Get image. All right, lots of times. Any bitmap data extracted with get image data. Okay, so they're trying to get this get image data, and that's one time they're doing it. Yeah, God, if it's get image data that's broken, I don't even know if there's a fix for that. But I think the... Wait, no, their error was get image data is broken, isn't it? It depends on how they break get image data. I mean, if they make it noisy, I don't think that would mess up. I mean, unless... Ugh. You know what? That fix that guy said, we're going back to it. We're going back to that guy. I am so sorry to that one guy. GitHub, pica. The one guy moment. Oh, I spelled pica wrong. That branch. No, not that one. Pull requests. Fix for Brave fingerprinting. Oh, you can't see it. This guy. So, Firefox shifts it a lot. Oh my god, Firefox just makes it unknowable. Oh my god. Well, Firefox makes it unknowable. Wait, maybe we could do some, Wait, hold up. Hold up for a second. Maybe... we could just make a script that literally just calls get image data and puts it out. Let's do that. New file. Let's just call it, like, simple tests.js. So, okay, the hard part is, like, I want to have the index, I want to have an index, was it index.js? I don't know if that's actually, like, what... Index.js... That's not the demo. Wait, is this index.js and this index.js the same thing? Maybe it is. No, it's not. Okay, index.js is a different thing then. So... you know, really, I don't have to do... where did I say my simple tests? I don't have to make this a JS file. I could just make this a... oh, I can delete this, one sec. I'm gonna just make it an HTML file, and then we can put the JS just directly in it. So this is simple test.html. So we're gonna have, I don't know, body... I don't remember how to set up an HTML file, bro. Off the top of my head. Doc type HTML. We'll just do this. Ah. I'll change the head to a body. And then... do you have to close the doc type? No, I guess not. It's been a while since I've written my own little... okay. So I basically just want to do this. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, I want to... I want to break it. But I don't know how to test it, like, to see if it's different. Oh, no, I do. I can just do it on Chrome, and Chrome won't break it, and then, you know, we can just test it on Firefox and see if it's different. But again, it's not a browser specific... like, I don't know if it's not doing it because my fucking file that it's loading is not doing it, and then the, you know, it's not going on a browser. But, I mean, if it has something like it's overriding the get image from the prototype, it should do it for anything, because it's just the browser itself running it on anything you open. But maybe files are exempt. I don't know if files are exempt from it. I could also technically test this on my NeoCities, I think. Which is a crazy thing to say. But I think I could. So let's try this first. Just as I just want simple get image code right here. Get image data. So let's just take this. I'm going to take this, I'm going to do this. Pop in this right in a script tag. I can't remember if script tags go inside or outside. They're going to go outside for right now. This is all shit that just exists, so it shouldn't, you know, it shouldn't be any library issues or anything. You know what? Fuck it, we ball. What if I just put this into the thing, and let's see what happens. Okay, nothing happens. No surprise there. Yeah, because plumeria.jpg does not exist. I guess I can actually use... wait, didn't I put a little thing in here? Wait, did I not put an R-Fight image in here? I thought I put an R-Fight image in there. I will use this. Oh, it's a GIF. I can't do it on a GIF. Get out of here. Get out of here, Wormston. need an image. I need an image. Okay, it's gonna be chicken on screen. It's the simplest file name I have. Chicken on, oops. Chicken on screen.jpg. Okay. Did nothing. Awesome. I'm not even gonna, well, I'll bother putting it up, but yeah, it just shows a blank page. So, you know, we should get some debugs in here. Can I find this is the question. Probably not. That's probably the issue. How to reference PNG JavaScript. PNG as a source. I just wanna set this chicken on screen image. How to display an image JavaScript? Let's just start with that, maybe. Image src equals that. Let's try that. Oh, it is doing that, but it's not like drawing it. It says like ctx.draw. Wait, I gotta pee. I'll be right back. Okay, I have returned. I just want to put the image on screen, JavaScript, please. Let's just make the image. Okay. Oh, I don't have a, wait, document element by ID canvas. I don't have that. Where did it go? Oh, it gave me the HTML and I didn't even put the HTML in. Dude, I'm... Okay, let's try that then. And then src equals chicken on screen dot JPEG. Please work, please, 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 please. Fuck, it didn't work. If you beg, okay, I'm gonna see inspect. So we have a canvas. Nothing's in the console. Is it creating the image is the question. It doesn't look like it's creating the image, but it also should just be drawing the image, but I am assuming it's because I can't draw the image. If I use a web URL, what about that? Maybe I just like do that. What's a URL? Try something on my new cities. Here, this, here we go. We'll use that, see if that works. I might need to set it as image_src equals, I think it's like URL. Like that. For a chance. Okay, that also didn't work. Now, is it not working because Firefox is disabled? Maybe that's the thing. Let's try it on Chrome. Where's Arc? Here. This is such a weird little... No, it also does not work on Arc. Okay, so... how do I guess maybe I can just do this, just to check that this works. Try that. Okay, that works. We have a kitty. That works. Okay. I've never drawn anything on a canvas before, so I'm not really sure how... I might not need to do this URL thing. I think the URL might only be for backgrounds, actually. Oops. It worked. Okay. And it works on Firefox, and it works on that. Okay, so the fact that I can't do an image URL correctly is beside the point. But, okay. But see, it's not doing the put image data part of this thing. It's drawing the image, but it's not doing the put image data part, which is very interesting. Because that happens after the get image data. Let's see this. Console.log. Image data. Because if we look at their example, it shows this. Not the same thing as ours, which is, I mean, obviously ours is a little bit, you know, whatever, but clearly not the same thing. All right, let's see. Inspect, console, uncaught DOM exception. The operation is insecure. Operation is insecure. Line 16. Get image data. Okay. The operation is insecure. Uncaught DOM exception. Let's look into that. Operation is insecure. Get image data. This is to prevent the site. This is a security feature. The getImageData method must, if the canvas element's origin clean flag is set to false, throw a security error exception. Oh. That's so funny. You can't read this. Let me make it bigger. Well, I shouldn't laugh. It's bad. It's so that you can't load images from the user's computer onto the browser. That's very funny. Okay. How do I do that, though? Cross-origin, image.cross-origin equals anonymous. After creating the new image... so we'll just add that. Let's try. Did not work. Awesome. Does it still give the same bug? Wait, what? The image... Wait. Now the load is bad? Oh, did I delete something? I might have deleted something. No, I didn't. where is that other parentheses? Did I? Oh, it's in the whole thing. Oh, okay, so I need to do it inside. I need to do it, okay. I need to probably do it there, I'm guessing. Okay, it didn't fix it. But did it change it at all? No. Interesting. Firefox doesn't seem... You must set cross-origin before setting the SRC. Does not work in Firefox. Here's a fiddle. So set it right after the image, before you set the SRC. Try that. It worked. Oh, it worked. Well, now the question is, does it work here? Okay, it does work. Okay, so you can get image data. That's not an issue. But again, it's the question of, can you get image data on a running server, etc. Now, I just want to even break it. Like, I don't even know how to break it. Oh, the question was this also. We want to print out that image data. Oh, we did log it. We go to the console. Okay, the array. Okay, it's gonna be the 244, 214, 169. We're gonna, okay. And then I'm gonna look at it in arc and I'm gonna see if it's different. Console, image data, data. 244, 214, 170. It is slightly different. It's very slightly different, though. 170. Let me see. So 244. So 2, there's a difference. There's a difference in 6. It's so slight. Yeah, like each of these are like off by like 1. Like some of these are off by 1. Oh, yeah. Yeah, a bunch of them are, I'm guessing it randomly it changes like 1 of each of them. But like, why is that an issue is the question. The plot thickens. Okay, let's look. I think we might be ready for this fix. All right, it's in utils. Is canvas. Okay, data 0 equals 12. D data 1 equals 23. Why are you doing that? Const original data. Sure. Well, that's just better in general. ctx.put image data d00. ctx d equals ctx. It's just setting the first couple pixels to values that work. Oh, this is a check to see. I see what this is doing. This is a check specifically to say if the canvas is off or not. And that's what's breaking it. I think this is what's breaking it. Okay. Because, so, what this is doing is it's checking... Right, it's checking instead of... I don't know why you would have this. Like... I wonder where they use this. Okay, but no, this guy is based. This guy is so based. I mean, I don't know if this is even necessary. Like, if I was doing this and I was just trying to Hail Mary it, I would just be like, what the fuck ever. Like, just get it as it can, get the image data, and then, like, put it up, you know, and you could just do whatever. But, like... This must be where... Wait, is Canvas in utils? In utils, where's utils? Define utils. Where's support? No, library. Yes, yes. They changed it. This is an old version. This must be an older version where they 2023. Maybe it's not an old version. This one is on line 140. Yes. So this function is Canvas. Wait, oh, no. Okay, no, never mind. They're skipping lines. This is the issue. I think this is what it is. Now, the question is that all that it is? There's a couple loose threads. Okay, so first off, we're gonna take this guy's code. I'm gonna copy these. No, I'm gonna copy these. 148 and 149 are replaced with that. Because, God, that makes so much more sense. So we're saying this. We're saying we have an image, right? We read this image data. Or we don't even have an image. Actually, maybe we do. Yeah, we do have an image. We're gonna know what the first whatever numbers are of that image are for sure. We're gonna see what those image numbers are. Then we're gonna put that image into the get image data, and we're gonna check to make sure that that's the same data, that the browser isn't like doing any goofy shit to it. But the issue is that the original code doesn't allow for any goofy shit, and it instantly throws an error. Whereas for us, it doesn't really matter if it's only 5 off. Then, I mean, it's okay. So I think that's what it is. I can't believe the guy that I shat on for the first whole part of this is the actual guy. No, he's so based. I'm so happy that this guy did this. Oh my god, I'm gonna like cry tears of joy if this is what it is. Is close distance. Where do they put that? They put it all the way up at the top. They put it all the way up at the top. Right where this guy puts what's this guy's name? Next end. Nobody got me, and next end got me. Sorry for being a hater. Yeah. So if the difference is less than equal to 5. Firefox, I think, changes it 1. Although I guess we could see if they... No, I wouldn't need to change it more than 1. Oh, yes! Ironically, I think you could also just get rid of this function and it would probably also work. Okay, so what does this mean? This means I couldn't get it to error is the thing. Like, I literally could not get it to spoof the thing, that it would break it. I don't know, maybe that's the answer. That's certainly an answer for Brave. I will say oh, actually, we should test on Brave. Let's test on Brave. I don't use Brave anymore, but we'll test on Brave. Ironically, I have not opened Brave to try and upload an art fight attack, but I guess we could try. Again, like, I can't even get it to break on computers, so, you know. But we're gonna go to this, where's my simple test? Okay, so it works on Brave. You know, you'd hope it worked on Brave. Let's go over to Brave. Does this, and let's go to the inspect console, image data. Alright, let's see if it's exactly the same as Arc or not. It looks pretty similar, first glance. 244, 214, 170, 255, 203. Yes, this is exactly the same as Arc's. There's no differences. Firefox has a difference. I don't know if I even have fingerprinting on, though. Let's see. Turn fingerprint protection on. Brave. Simplifies its fingerprinting protections. January 28th. 18th. Strict mode, functioning correctly. Could be more vulnerable. One sec. Okay, so they're... Oh, they sunsetted it. Let's see, but I want to turn it on. Where's the settings? Settings. Shields. Settings. Shields. Block fingerprinting standard. Okay. We can do standard is nothing. Strict may break sites. I can try that. And let's actually see if it breaks it. So it didn't break it. Did it actually spoof the thing differently is the question. Because right now Firefox is kind of winning. Those seem like the same values. Which, you know, it's not a bad thing. But I don't know why they would break on Brave. Oh, let's try to upload an attack against Gonk. Oh, I'm not logged in. 1 second. Log in. Actually. Yep, okay. We're good. Okay, Gonk, we're coming. We're coming to get you. Gonk test. Please let me do. Oh wait, I need to log into Gonk actually and upload a character. Shit. I just typed in Gonk. Okay, let me make sure. Yeah, that's not up anywhere. Okay. What? Wait, that's fucked up. Well, I mean, I guess I can just try to... Okay, before we do that, I mean, I guess I can just try to upload a thumbnail and see if it fucks everything up. No, that didn't seem to fuck everything up. I don't... Like, is it mainly Safari? Like, how much spoofing are you doing to get image data? That, like, it's... fucking it up, because clearly this isn't messing it up, but I mean, the other thing is, like, Firefox... Wait, let's go back to Firefox real quick. Like, on Firefox, the image... We checked that uploading a thumbnail doesn't break it, and I literally have fingerprinting on, and it's spoofing the get image data. So I don't know how... Like, this preview shouldn't work. Oh, wait, no, actually, maybe not. Wait a second, did I turn... Wait, let's see. Inspect, console, image data... Yeah, so this one's slightly different. It might only be on the upload. So it might be the border, I'm not sure. Sorry, 9. The bed budge border. That's really funny. I really need Gonk to be a character that I can... Gonk to have a character. Okay, well, you know, I actually feel like that's pretty good. I think that clearly there are 2 options for it being broken. Actually, wait, where's the get image data being called? We can just chuck some, we can chuck some, whatchamacallit. I'm gonna close Brave. Brave, I don't think is having the issue. Because the thing is, like, I feel like this is... what I'm learning is that they've turned off their ones that actually fuck things up like this. Now, is the question, like, is on mobile, are they doing more? That's really the question, because I think mobile, and specifically Apple devices, so it would be Safari. I don't know what Safari looks like. I don't want to download Safari. Does Safari redefine get image data? Canvas get image data not working on mobile Safari. Canvas.draw image is not available on iOS. Are you shitting me? Wait, that just doesn't... Well, they're fucked then. They have to change the library. Returns wrong area. Whoa, this is a weird... I couldn't even tell that was happening. I don't know what that was. I am very confused. If it's... there's no way it's disabled. That has to be a one guy moment. 2014. When was this even? These all look older. No. It's 2011. Wait, when was this? This was... Oh, 12 years. Oh my god, never mind. Get image data on Chrome seems to change the image data. I don't know. This is very odd. if I had to guess, it's with the image data, the get image data, the fact that, like, it throws that error when... Now... This is a weird thing to me. Well, there are a couple things that are odd. So this bug was found was announced like yesterday. There were errors for it before that. That does necessarily mean that you need to reproduce the environment. So if the developers didn't have Apple devices, it probably would have been hard to find. Like, I can't reproduce it. But to be fair, I'm also not in a developer environment. What I'm trying to think about is if it's worth it to be like, hey, this is the thing that this is probably doing. Because I don't know if they're... You know, I guess I could ask my brother to see if he can open something like that. I just can't get the error, even. But it's weird to me because, like, okay, if I was... I had looked into the other stuff. The toData URL was, like, a thing that I thought might have been the issue. But, like, instantly going to, like, any usage of get image URL is probably the thing you would do if you were... Or get image data, sorry. If you were smart about this and you've seen an error, right? Or you go to this, you find the error that's like... sorry, what's the error? The error is, finger. Sure, cannot use get image data on canvas. Okay, that means you have to, like, find where get image data is used. You go to this file. You find the 8 usages, and you see, like, okay. So this one. Wait a second. Did I not update this? Wait, I changed this. Did I change a different one? What? I literally... Am I getting, like... Oh, I changed it here. But it's also in here. Oh, that's the distribution. Oh. Okay, that might not need to be changed there, but, you know, whatever. I was like, what? I changed that. No, that's not it. There we go. And then, this. Funny, that's a kind of Yandere dev thing that they did there. It's fine. That's what it should be. And then, you know, this is like, these only run if the other one is fine. Right, so you start with... Can use canvas, get image data. This is also weird. Underscore get. They use that, though, and then they also have a function that this function is in there. I don't know why they have that twice. That's like the can use canvas function, and then the can use canvas... Oops. Can use is here. That's the data that we're checking. That's module exports. And then, okay, well, sorry, can use canvas. But did they use the utils one? Why do they define this function? I don't know. Well, that's just dumb. I mean, it's just exports, I guess, but whatever. Oh, I said redefine, not redefine. Redefine. Cannot. That's. Oh. No, calling. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. When doing resizes in pica. Oh, wait, shit. Wait, there's a fix to this. Wait, no. I thought they said they was. Oh, wait, shit. Okay. When doing resizes in pica, we sometimes get an error when pica calls image data. The error that Safari throws is this. It's the canvas we're passing into pica. That's probably not it. That's probably not really the same type of issue. I'm looking for... Images don't load on Canvas website? Oh. That's a website, Canvas. I guess my thing is, like, I just don't know what to do with this. Like, I don't know if they're gonna try and fix it. Because that but see, when I DM'd them too, they didn't respond to me. So I don't know if that's if they don't want me like backseat coding. Well, that was fun at least. I think if I had to guess, definitely the get image thing is gonna break it on Brave. Fixing that well, like, it works for me on Brave. Like, I don't understand why it doesn't work for people on Brave. I just really wish I could see what people, like, the errors people are getting, because I just can't. I can't reproduce an error. Oh wait, let me see if we can get Gonk. Let me see if we can get Gonk set up here. Because I think maybe it's a thing here. No, I can't get Gonk set up right now. So I can't check. That's so odd though. Let me see if people are still talking. Maybe they updated it. No, they did not update it. I've tried a different browser. This person says they've tried a different browser too on iPad and not working. That shouldn't... Okay, it's Mac? Why would it be breaking on Mac? Why would it break on Mac? Or let's look into that. Let's say pica breaking, pica resizer breaking on Mac. No, that's not it. Pica causing a crash in Chrome. But that's Chrome. That's not a... Interesting. So they fixed that. Like, okay, so the issue I have is, like, it should not be browser dependent. Or sorry, it should not be browser independent. I need to know what browsers people are trying. Let me see. I'm using Chrome. Have you tried without a thumbnail? very curious. I'm looking into stuff, and it would be super weird if it was iOS or OS dependent. I'm just wondering if your thumbnail is art fight error or not. I wish I could just like see these people's like. Here, wait, we can pop into this server. All right, we can do a little look at this, little investigative reporting here. Like, so I mean, obviously people, right? People are having trouble submitting. Wait, okay. Genuinely, if you're having trouble submitting, can you DM me and tell me your device slash tell me your browser slash device. Oh, wait a second. They're saying that, because if you can turn fingerprinting off and it still doesn't work on iOS, that's super interesting. Because I don't think that should happen is the thing. Like this person is a library they're using for the thumbnail cropping. Sure. They trigger a resize, I'm sure, on whatever. They might have even switched their in-house cropping to pica if they weren't using it before, instead of just like a cover fit type thing, which honestly it should be cover fit. I don't know if it's cover fit. Editing. No thumbnail doesn't help because. Okay, I can answer that later. I just don't like understand. Like, people are saying like they can't turn off. Okay, I understand if you can't turn off fingerprinting. Clearly, like, yes, it spoofs the data. The data is different, and the fingerprinting thing is different. No, I'm not. I don't need it. I can upload them fine. But it's also interesting that it's only mobile. Like, are they spoofing it more on mobile? On the browsers? You know what? I wish I could just friend DM Nate. I wish I could just DM Nate directly. I think he won't let me DM him. He's in the devs. I DM'd Leaf Jelly and they did not respond to me. Pica's like not. I don't actually know if Pica is. If Pica is around. If Pica is doing any dev stuff this year. What is this? Oh, it's okay. That's just people being bad about image resizing. Oh, I can upload attacks. I'm just trying to fork Pica resizer and fix the bug. I think I might have it, but if it's not browser specific, then who knows, lol. I can't reproduce errors in my dev environment. So any info from people getting errors. Oh, look at that. That is what it's okay. Half of the people having these errors are just their thumbnails are incorrect. No, okay. I think I'm getting the picture. I think you may have had a proper thumbnail. If it's okay, so it does work on some iOS devices. Is your iPad... What was their device? They said something was like, Okay, it doesn't have an option to turn it off. How old, like... Why does it not have an option to turn it off? Can you not update your browser? Am I stupid? Are people using browsers that are just so old they're not even supported? What were you using before? And did you have an option to turn fingerprinting off? Tepio. To Venmo slash Damien and pay me money. I just don't like. Okay, there's one person. Wait a second. There's one person who did actually mention. I feel a little bit bad, but also not mad because it was late. Where is it? Okay, I made sure mine was off when I updated my iPad months ago. So it seems like iPads specifically... Okay, maybe iPads have an unturn-offable option. Shall we look? Okay. iPad, Safari. Wait, can you turn off fingerprinting? Safari. iPad OS. So the thing is, iPad OS is actually obviously like a different... whatever. In iOS 17... No, that's not it. Yeah, so... Okay, yes, so the no option for fingerprint thing is definitely because of this... No option for fingerprint is like, whatever. Because we know that it breaks with fingerprinting. It's triggering Face ID? It is not sorry. It shouldn't be doing that. There's literally no reason why it's doing that. Sorry, man. With get image data, which fingerprinting. Canvas finger. I guess I should say canvas fingerprinting. Do people think it's like their fingerprints? Printing, spoofs sometimes. iPad Air. Made no difference. Yes, okay, well, yes. It didn't come up with the... Okay, so it has to be this... It has to be that the get image data is being redefined somehow in Safari, specifically. Did you, issue, but I'm wondering if Chrome would fix. Because, okay. Also, yes, very good that thumb cropper doesn't work. It should break if the issue is actually the fingerprinting issue. No, they think fingerprint. Oh, Junie, that's not the fingerprinting. Junie, that's a diff type of fingerprinting. This refers to image generation on sites. Actually, not your physical. Oh boy. Okay, I just want to see this one person's answer, and then I think I'm gonna wrap. I'll see if Ray has it. That's so funny. No, it's not doing it, bro. Bro thinks they have Face ID in the pica. They don't even know that there's the funny name issue. It could be like a 5-second fix, and or they need to change the whole library and the entire feature, which is probably what they're doing. So, like, no ETA, IMO. That's so funny. Go to your local library, okay? If you don't have a computer, go to your local library and upload from there. Yeah, the thumbnail scrolling thing is actually not an issue. So Chrome, wow. Wow, that is fascinating. Okay, wow, that's super fascinating. Chrome on an iPad, huh? I don't know why that would be happening. I don't think they're gonna make an extension for it, though. You just can't upload. I mean, you can always upload later. Anyway, okay, so let's try this. iPad OS, or iPad turn off fingerprint tracking. Not that. So far, browser. Maybe there's some. So, clearly if you don't have an option for this, obviously it would be an issue, right? But rank Safari's privacy to the max? Well, that's whatever. They didn't even show the fingerprint tracking, what the hell? Where's that? Oh, here we go. All browsing. I mean, turning it off. Also, I can't believe people are asking for an extension. It's already halfway through the fight. Like, it's only halfway through the fight. Like, guys, maybe get to the end and then see if you want an extension, okay? I usually want to die by the end of the fight. It's weird that it's in Safari settings. I guess it could be some browser, like, browser locked thing. I don't know. Wait, how to turn... You know, I can actually check this. You know, I'm gonna check this out stream, but how to turn fingerprint tracking off on Chrome iPad. Turn do not track. What? No. That's... Okay, tracking is different. Sorry, fingerprint protection is what I should say. Definitely different word. This is not giving it to me. How do I turn fingerprint? Okay, I don't have Chrome. Let's see. What was I looking for? I'm looking for settings on Arc. Okay, Arc settings are just different, though. I mean, I don't even think I could turn fingerprint. Chrome settings? Because Arc is a Chrome derivative. I don't actually even know where Arc settings. Arc / settings. Okay. Nice. So, privacy and security. Site settings? I would just search fingerprint. Whoa, it's not even real? Turn fingerprint protection off Chrome. Oh my god, it actually really doesn't want me to even know what this is. Browser fingerprint protection. Oh, is there not an... Oh. You can't turn it off on Chrome. I guess. Wow, okay, wow. Okay, so you can't even deal with that on Chrome. Okay, so that's probably why it's not an issue on Chrome. I mean, there's an extension you can get to do it, but... Why would there be an issue with mobile submission? I'm gonna have to look into it. Okay. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna head out. This was a long stream. This was fun, though. I had fun. We did find the thing. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's the thing, is that thing that throws the error is like... You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna, one other thing. I forked the pica library to try and see if I could find the issue and maybe fix it. And I think I found something. Not sure if the devs are trying to change the library, but I could send the fix if that's useful. Yeah, I think the hard part is, like, art fighters are just dumb. So, like, you can't tell if they're, like, mis-uploading a thumbnail, and that's why the attack's not going through, or if it's actually this submission bug. I guess it could be a device-wide privacy fingerprint protection thing, but, I mean, that's crazy that would exist on iOS. Like, and then why would it, some iPhones work, some iPads don't, you know, like, if If it's legacy, sure, maybe that's hard to track down what the bug is, but like, geez. Okay. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, everybody. Definitely a little bit of a weird stream, but it was fun to mess around and do some code stuff and get my hands dirty in the wires again. I missed it. I will be back sometime. I'll be back sometime. And I'll see you guys then. Bye.